Hi class, Terry here with a quick update. After class, I realized I was having a little bit of trouble when I was trying to show you the Python things, and then this morning I realized what I did wrong, and I wanted to give you this quick update so that you don't make the same mistake I did in class. So let's start with, I'm going to use IPython, get my thing fired up, and you can see up here, this is the code we had where we had the example where if I did import star from import from mat import star, which is what I did in class, and then I can say something like I can define mat, and then I could say get item of one, and that worked fine, but when I did 3, we got the key error. So then I showed you doing something where I was trying to debug stuff, and at one point in time I had actually commented that out. I ran import again, and I still got the same error. And in fact, if you look in the video, there's a point where I tried to call the command reload, and I was a little confused, and I actually just ended up quitting Python and restarting. And the problem with that is I had commented stuff out, but the command import from mat import star, because I imported it without a name, does not actually reload the code. So the fact that everything is commented out means it doesn't work anymore. So if I restart Python without changing the code in any way, do another import, find my matrix, and now call it off again, you'll see the comment did what it should. There's no code. It can't do anything wrong. I don't, because I was trying to think on my feet, I didn't remember exactly what the syntax was. So I'm going to quit again. The right thing to do is not to do import from star. What I should do is I should say import mat as, say, capital mat. And now I can, I'm going to go back over here, I'll make the code have the problem so I can show you that it's broken. So now when I go to call make the mat, I have to say mat.mat because mat's the name of the file I loaded it as. If I had loaded it as my code, then I would say my code.mat, and then I can say my code.get item, save from typing. Okay, because I go back up, save it, I'm going to import. So now, because I had saved it, I have to go back. I want to reload it, so I can say from syntax from IMP for implementation, import reload, and now I can say reload my code. And it's reloaded the code. So now I have this new version. Make sure I reloaded it after I did that. And now I get the error. If I go over here and instead of this, I put in the correct one. I can reload again. And now I get the correct answer of 0. So it's really important to remember that just doing an import star whatever from whatever import star doesn't work and you can't reload something, which is why when I tried to reload it in class I failed. So you have to import the module, the reload module from imp, like I did right here, And then if you have a name module, you can reload the code as you're doing interactively. To be honest, I forgot about this because I rarely work interactively in Python. I'm far more run on the command line, in which case everything gets reset. But otherwise, you can be debugging your code, making lots of changes, and just trying to import them again, and it will not work. You have to reload to get new versions from the file or quit Python. So sorry for that slight diversioning during class when I didn't get it quite right, and that you had to come watch this extra video to make it up, but hopefully this will help you as you work through your assignment.